this is the next question. If a circle has an area of 20 pi cm squared and a diameter AB, what is the length of the arc AB? They're asking us to get the length of the arc AB. Now this is the circle. Imagine this is a circle and AB is the diameter, right? This line is the diameter, but you have this arc AB. Now this diameter is actually subtending an arc of 180 degrees. The diameter subtends an arc of 180 degrees. Okay, so length of the arc L is given as r times theta, which is nothing but r times of 180 degrees divided by 360. So this has to be evaluated, but to evaluate this I need r. Now I am given that area is equal to 20 pi cm squared. We know the formula for area is pi r squared, which has to be equated with 20 pi. The pi and pi gets cancelled. I get r squared is equal to 20. R is equal to root of 20. I can rewrite 20 as 4 times 5. So this is going to be root of 4 times root of 5, which is going to be equal to 2 times root of 5. So this is my r. Take this value and substitute it here. So therefore L is equal to 2 times root of 5 times 180 over 360. 18 divides here 2 times, and you have 2 times root of 5 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so L is equal to root of 5 units. That's the answer for this question. Now this is